Hi, it's Azim again. In this video tutorial, we will connect this application to our Socket.io server. So before that, we have to include one package, which is Socket.io package for client. In previous videos, we installed Socket.io, but that was for server-side code. We use this package to implement our server. Now, because we are working on our client side, so we have to pull another package which is Socket.io client. Let me go to Google and here we can search for Socket.io client. Let's type npm here. npm. Perfect. We need this package. I will copy this and let's pull this package. Terminal, and I will pass -- save. We need to import open socket function from Socket.io client, and using this open socket function we will connect to our server and open our Socket.io port. Const socket is equal to open socket. This is function, and we will pass our Socket.io URL in this function. Let me make sure our Socket.io server is running or not. Let's visit localhost and 666. No, it's not running. Let me paste this URL here and let's fire our server. Yep, now it's running. And now we are connected to our server. The first step is done. Now we have to emit user to our server. So this is the user that we want to emit, and we will say socket.emit, and we will emit our user, and this is visitor to our server. And the event that we will use is if we go to our server, we can see that we are listening for new visitor event. We will fire this event on our server. We will pass our visitor, and on our server side we are getting our visitor and we are setting that visitor with our socket. With that, we are done with this part, emit user to server. Now we just have to update our view. As you remember, in our server we are emitting this visitors event and we are sending all visitors to our connected sockets. So we can listen for this event using socket.on, and we will get visitors, and we will set our state with these visitors. Save it and refresh it. Perfect. You guys can see that we are getting this error because we have to provide key for this. So let me just quickly do that. key is equal to, and let's say index. Refresh it and we should be good to go. And this is actually working. So let me show you. If we visit this URL, now we have 2 users. And if I close this, now our view is updated. Our application is working. We just have to show the flag of our user. For that, we will use a simple API, which is countryflags.io. We can use something like this in our application. So we have to pass country code in this URL and it will return the image of that country. So if I want to get country code for Pakistan, then I have to type the country code here and it will return this URL. We will use this. Where we are displaying country, just like this. Let me create very small function here. Get country flag, and we will pass country code here. Country code. We will return this string with our country code in it. And here this dot get country flag, and we will pass our country code here. Visitor dot country code. Perfect. Let's visit our application and we got our flag. Let's just test it again and make sure everything is working. And yeah, it's working. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.